Hi guys. I'm making another video. Wow, that's so cool. It's another original one and not like my series. So yeah. This is just a school project thing, so yeah. I'm not really good at explaining. But yeah, today we're gonna be solving equations! Yay! We love equations. So our first equation. We're gonna be solving this first equation. I think this is called a one-step equation, so yeah, really cool. Alright. So the first step, well, not really the first step, but I mean, I consider it the first step because it's necessary for me. I mean, not necessary, but it helps me a lot, right? Draw a line on equal. Oh, that's a bad way. Hey, okay. So you first draw your line on the equal sign, alright? So it helps because you have to do the things on both sides, right? So yeah. Okay, for this equation, it's 2x minus 3 equals 11. Simple, right? Very simple. One-step equation, right? Okay, so what you do is that you first, okay, depending on the number, on this number, or I don't know which one number, you either subtract or add, all right? You either subtract or add. So because this has a minus, this is a minus, right? You see a minus right there? It's right there, right? You see that right there? Because it's a minus, then we add 3. Just say if this was a plus 3, then we subtract by 3, alright? Y'all know what he's saying? You know what I'm saying? I don't know how to explain, but so you just bear with me, guys. You know? Alright? So, because it's a minus, we add 3, guys, alright? We add 3. And because we have to do it on both sides, we're supposed to add 3 here too, alright? Alright? Yeah. Alright, you got this, guys? You got this? Now, we, yeah. I will just put this line on here, it helps me. So then after, this 3, you see this 3? This goes away. No more 3. This doesn't exist. That does not exist. Now, for 11 plus 3. Y'all, that's really simple math, guys. That's really simple math. So then after, you get 2x equals 14. See? It's that simple. Wow. You're right there. You're so close. Wow, you're so close. Now, you need to now again, it depends. But you're supposed to what is it? Either now, yeah, do the same thing. But instead of subtracting or adding, you actually you either divide or multiply depending on the thing. Because this is a positive, then you divide. I think so. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not really good of a math person, so whatever. I'm still trying. So yeah, because you divide, right? Because this 2 is plus 2. It's a positive 2, right? Then we're supposed to, yeah. So after you divide 2 with 2, because yeah, and 14 with 2. This 2, right? You see this 2? This also goes away. That also leading x. That's only x, right? And 14 divided by 2. I don't know what that is, but y'all could use a calculator. I'm using my notes. So so 14 divided by 2 is 7. Whoa! It's my lucky number. There, and you solved it. So x equals 7. So that's your answer right there. Wow. Good job. So look at this one. This is 9x minus 6 equals equals 5x plus 18. Whoa. Okay, so it's gonna be a longer one. So then we put line. All right. We make ourselves a line. All right. We have ourselves a line, right? It's not necessary, but it helps me anyway. So the first thing we're supposed to do here is remove the x. So yeah, I don't know. So for this one, I would say we're gonna remove 5, right? We're just gonna remove 5, all right? So because this is positive 5 right there, you see that's positive and not negative. Okay, yeah. Okay, no, never mind. So let's do negative 5, all right? I'm not really good at math, so bear with me. I'm sorry. Right? So minus 5. We subtract these two. By yeah. Okay, yeah. We subtract these two by 5. So these two and these two. Because they're like terms, I think. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay. So we got our thing now, alright? We subtract them both, right? So, yeah. This 5 is non-existent. That goes away. Then after we, like, do that, right? Now, we have 4x minus 6 equals 18. Alright? Yeah, there. Now we just, yeah. So cool. Now we gotta get rid of the 6 because the 6 is disgusting and 6 is bad because it's a bad number. 6 and any other number besides 3 and 7 are bad numbers. So we remove this, alright? Because it's negative, guys, because it's negative. You see that negative is right there. You see that negative is right there. Then we add 6. Yeah, so that means we add 6 here too. It's like, okay, now, yeah, so this 6 goes away. That's non-existent. After, yeah, so now just, basically you just do whatever I had there. So, after, yeah, this is, I think, 24. Yeah, okay, now we divide these. Say, yeah, and after this 4 divided by 4, this goes away. So then that leaves us x equals 6. Such a bad number, but whatever. I don't know. So these parentheses, that means that you need to multiply them by 2. All right, I think so. So you distribute them, or whatever that means. So yeah, you multiply these two by 2. It's 2. Let me add my line. All right. Now, yeah. So so this is 2 times 3. 2 times 3. This is 2 times 3. That gives us 6x. You see this x? We're supposed to move that x over here. So the x is over here. See? So 6x, all right? And minus, because there's a minus right here. So we have to move that there. And 2 times 2? I don't know. This is 4, apparently, according to my notes. So, yeah. I'm not really good with math. That's right, guys. Now after we just move this down. Alright, so this is our new equation. 6x minus 4 equals 2. Then after you basically just do the same with these two over here. So, then after, yeah, so you see this minus, because it's minus, then we add 4 on both sides. Alright, that's not existent over here, right, guys? So now this leaves us with 6x equals 12 plus 12, because 8 plus 4 equals 12. Alright, so then after we divide them by guess what? 6! Whoa, that's so cool. That's not existent. That's x equals 2. Alright, there. So, yeah, that's your answers for all of them. Yay! Yeah, so cool. We learned some math. Wow. This was a school project. I was forced to do this, and if not, then I have to retry the whole class. This is a really big grade for me. So yeah. I also said that in my channel that I got to upload whatever I want because I think it's cool, right? I mean, I want y'all to see my project that I'm forced to do. So, I mean, yeah. Bye, guys. I don't know.